Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth tech reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the world of networking with the NETGEAR Powerline Adapter Kit. If you've ever struggled with Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or need to connect devices in different rooms, this could be your solution. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's explore the power of Powerline networking. The NETGEAR Powerline Adapter Kit allows you to use your existing electrical wiring to extend your internet access to any room in your house. It's a game changer for those looking to improve their home network. Let's talk speed. This Powerline adapter offers blazing fast gigabit speeds, with the capability to reach up to 2000 megabits per second. Whether you're streaming 4K content, gaming without lag, or connecting smart devices, it's up to the task. If you need to expand your network coverage, you can easily connect multiple adapters to ensure a reliable wired network throughout your home. No more Wi-Fi dead zones or weak signals. NETGEAR has equipped this Powerline adapter with multiple data streams and beamforming technology. These features enhance coverage and speed by directing the signal where it's needed most, ensuring a robust and efficient network. Setting up this Powerline adapter is a breeze. It's a true plug-and-play device. You can have it up and running in minutes, with no need to configure or install software. Here's a neat feature. A noise-filtered power outlet is built into the adapter. This not only provides you with an extra power source but also improves the overall performance of your Powerline network. Worried about security? NETGEAR has you covered with push and secure encryption. You can easily encrypt your Powerline network connections with the touch of a button, keeping your data safe and secure. Wondering how you can benefit from the NETGEAR Powerline Adapter Kit? It's perfect for connecting smart TVs, streaming players, game consoles, and any device that demands a strong and stable connection. Say goodbye to buffering and lag. In conclusion, the NETGEAR Powerline Adapter Kit is a game-changing solution for expanding your home network. With gigabit speeds, reliable coverage, and easy setup, it's a must-have for anyone seeking a better network experience. If you found this review helpful and are ready to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones and slow connections, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more tech reviews and insights, subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our next video.